You are going to love the 2016 Range Rover Sport. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Inside you'll find rear view camera, cruise control, powered by intelligence, brilliance by design. Range Rover Sport is in a class of one. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.